Something that I find really important with this job is safety. Now, let's say hypothetically power goes out. You tell me you gotta pull this cord down or to close the door. You go ahead and pull the cord down, right? Little do you know, the springs are really weak and this door is gonna come down extremely fast. Obviously that's a safety issue. Now this door is really heavy here, all right? So I don't recommend ever catching it. So we got a ton of new hardware on the door. We did rollers, cables, all the bearings on the door, and these springs. If you pull this cord down now, and let's say you're out of power, whatever it might be, right? The door should stay, all right? So you shouldn't have any movement out of it. Now I know I'm a towering 5'9", so I gotta stand on the ladder to get the door, but it should just come right down, nice and easy. As the door gets to the bottom, stays, you're all good. When the power comes back, reconnect the motor, call it a day.